collaboration lang siya natalo, no?
Lord, thank you po for this wonderful blessing. Thank you po for all the popsters sa aking family, kay mami, kay daddy. Sa lahat po ng mga nagmamahal sa akin, sa patuloy na sumusuporta at naniniwala sa aking talento. Mix, maraming salamat. Boss Vic de Rosario, ABS-CBN, maraming salamat. Sir Jay, thank you. Mrs. Shai. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Thank you. Miss Reg.
Hey, DJ Drake.
Hey, DJ Robbie.
Well, we're down to our top 3 major awards plus one very special award.
Tama yan, Robbie. And still, di pa natin i-reveal ang recipient na Mixed Man Award this year. In the meantime, we have 2 solo singers who come from rival variety TV shows.
But they have at least 2 things in common.
Ano yun?
They were both discovered as